on earth can we get tips about manifesting from Olaf, the adorable goofy snowman from Frozen?
Hi everyone, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.
My name is Michelle. If you have dreams and goals, hit that subscribe button below for 3 videos per week to help you live your best life. In this short video, I'm going to share with you 3 quick lessons we can learn from a snowman. And it's okay if you haven't seen the movies, the lessons are good either way. Now, you may already be familiar with the law of attraction or manifestation. It was the focus of a pretty popular book in 2006 called The Secret. I say pretty popular. It sold more than 30 million copies and spawned a movie by the same name. Thought leaders around the world have spoken about the law of attraction, including Oprah, Tony Robbins, Eckhart Tolle, Bob Proctor, Deepak Chopra, Master Shri Akarshna, Abraham Hicks, and so many more. What's interesting is they all agree that in some way you really can manifest things in your life. Okay, so let's get into these life lessons with Olaf. Number 1, hug your friends. Judging from various reviews and surveys, Olaf the snowman may be the character that people love most. Olaf wants everyone to know that he's a big fan of warm hugs. You may have heard someone, maybe me in my other videos, saying you don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. Your energetic frequency and your own thoughts and emotions have a strong effect on how and how quickly your manifestations appear in your life. If you feel happy and successful, you'll draw more happiness and success into your life. Share positive energy with your family and friends, and these positive vibrations will help you create a life you love. Number 2, express gratitude for any gift. Olaf is delighted when Anna makes him a small nose. He's equally happy when his nose is made longer. He doesn't even mind when Sven, the reindeer, wants to take a bite.
I've always wanted a nose.
Thinking about or writing down all of the things you feel grateful for will help you shift your focus from what you don't have to what you are already blessed with. When you are grateful, you are vibrating on the highest level, and the universe has no option but to send you what you're manifesting. In any situation, if you intentionally look for something to like, you'll find a way to be content.
Oh, look at that. I've been impaled.
Number 3, take risks. Olaf raves about summer, even though he's unsure what it means. While everyone else thinks that he would melt, Olaf enjoys the sun because he dares to go after what he wants.
And I'll be doing whatever snow does in summer.
If you've done any research on manifesting, you've probably heard that you have to take action to make your dreams come true. The wonderful things you desire are not going to show up overnight, landing on your doorstep instantly like the universe's version of Amazon Prime. So get clear on what you want, then do something about it. Every day, take actions that move you toward your desires. This puts a huge amount of energy into motion and will allow your dreams to come true.
Psst, psst, psst.